Connecting Adafruit to IFTTT allows you to automate tasks with Adafruit devices, such as controlling sensors or sending data to other apps based on events. Here's how to set it up. Sign up for IFTTT. Visit IFTTT, create an account, or log in if you already have one. Connect Adafruit to IFTTT. On the IFTTT dashboard, search for Adafruit in the Explore section. Select the Adafruit I/O service, which is connected to Adafruit hardware and sensors to IFTTT. Click Connect and log into your Adafruit I/O account. If you don't have one, create an account at Adafruit I/O. You may need to generate an Adafruit I/O key to authenticate the connection. You can find the key in your Adafruit I/O dashboard under Settings, View AIO Key. Create a new applet. Click Create to start a new applet. Select If This to choose your trigger. For example, you could use webhooks or an event from a service like Weather or Google Sheets. Set the action. In the Then That section, choose Adafruit I/O as the action. Select an action, such as send data to feed or trigger a feed update. Activate the applet. After configuring, click Finish to activate the applet.